We're at the Shelby Performance plant here in the Midwest where they build high-performance trucks, and the building is powered by propane. If you're a truck fan, this is going to be an awesome video to see just where these monsters are made.
We're building people's dream trucks. The Shelby truck is an incredible product. It's high performance, it's luxurious. Propane is helping fulfill that dream truck for people. We would not be manufacturing our product without propane.
So you guys got a multi-million-dollar plant going up, and then all of a sudden you add this added drama of not having enough natural gas.
We could not get enough fuel through natural gas. It was incredibly intimidating to be in that situation. This is a problem we didn't expect to have. The interesting thing about the propane industry, or just an observation, is it is a hidden secret. I don't think a lot of people realize that you can solve a large-scale manufacturing issue with propane. I have no concern that this system will continue to feed our facility. We have more equipment going in as we speak, so our demand is going to go up. And again, we're not going to skip a beat here. So what a good solution.
So would you recommend to other commercial sites or economic developers, building developers, to actually consider propane as a heating source as well as for industrial use?
Absolutely. I don't think there's anything that natural gas can do that propane can't do.
How do you feel about the supply of propane?
Something I learned is you can have a contract for up to a year out that locks you into a price. So right now, I have zero concern of what the LP cost is on the market because I'm locked in. We would not be manufacturing our product without propane.